the Unicorn Baker. This is my unicorn pose. Today, we're gonna be making Strawberry Banana Vanilla Smoothie. Before we get started, smash that thumbs up so you can be part of my unicorn baking community. The ingredients you'll need is vanilla protein powder, almond milk, Greek yogurt, strawberries, a banana, a cutting board, a knife, and a spoon to stir it all up, a measuring cup, a blender, straws, and 3 cups. Okay, let's get started. First, we're gonna cut up the strawberries and banana. First, I'm gonna start with the strawberry because it does not leave that big of a mess. It's already washed. Now we're gonna pour all of this into the blender. Okay, now we're gonna cut up the bananas, so we're gonna have to peel this. Put this in the blender. Woo, woo. Now we're gonna put a third of a cup of plain yogurt in the blender. Ew, some of it's wet. I forgot to dump it out. It's fine. Okay. That's about it. Ooh. Someone's gonna love enjoying that. Now I'm gonna put 1 cup of milk into here. Okay. I think that's about 1 cup. Now we're gonna pour it into the blender. Ew, that sound. Now we're gonna put the vanilla protein powder, and we're putting 2 scoops into it, to the blender. That's 1 cup. Need 1 more cup. 2 cups. Okay. Now, we're gonna put ice in it, but I need someone to bring ice over for me. So I'm gonna call on my brother Luca. Luca!
Yeah?
Thanks for bringing me the ice. And how about you be my taste tester when it's done?
Okay.
Thanks, bye. Okay, we're pouring all this ice. You saw nothing, you saw nothing. It's still fine. Now I'm gonna dump this out and wash my hands. Now we're gonna blend it. smoothie carefully into these cups. Whoa. time to taste test. So who should I call on? Luca and Lucy. Lucy, Luca!
Yeah.
You want to try my delicious smoothies?
Yes, please.
Okay. Taste test.
I can barely get it through the straw, but it's good, Serafina.
Now for my turn. Lucy, Luca, how much percent is it?
A 99 only because I can barely get it through the straw.
Yeah,
What percent is it, Luca?
like 98 because I can barely get to the straw. And I think you put a bit too much Greek yogurt because that's thick.
What percent is it, Serafina?
I'm gonna say 100.5
Why?
because it tastes like
No, I'm the interviewer.
it tastes very good, but like I could barely get it through the straw, and also it tastes like those cakes where you open it and then you eat the bread from it, and then it tastes weird.
What cakes?
I don't remember, but I remember the taste like
Do you know what
drinking.
cake she's talking about?
I mean, once you're done, Orlando.
Once you got in Orlando?
Probably.
Probably.
Oh yeah, guys, smash that thumb up, subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my unicorn baking community. Boom.
Bye.
Bye.